are the Serbian personal pronouns with mnemonics to help you learn them. I in Serbian is ja. The mnemonic we can use here is, think of the word I, pronounced A-Y. Reverse it and it becomes ya, Y-A, which sounds like ya. You in singular form is T. Imagine the letter Y from the word you. The point where the two lines meet can slid up to form a letter T, the first letter of T. There is a line in the T which looks like the number 1. So we remember that T is singular you. You in plural form is V. Again, think of the letter Y from the U. If you remove that line at the lower part, you're left with V. That's the start of V, the Serbian U plural. Removing that line means it's no longer just one person, so it's plural. Therefore, T is singular and V is plural of you. We in Serbian is mi. Take the English word we, which start with letter W. Flip the W upside down and it becomes an M, the first letter of me. The third person pronouns he, she, and it all start with on but have different endings. He is on, she is ona, it is ono. For they, Serbian changes the word based on gender. Oni is for all males or a mixed group. One is for all females. Ona is for all neuter. Now, let's talk about auxiliary verbs. These are super important because you'll use them almost all the time. In Serbian, you can often use just the auxiliary verb without the pronoun and still understand who is meant. Unlike English, Serbian gives each pronoun its own partner auxiliary verb. Let's see them. The partner of ja is sam. It sounds like am in English. So, ja sam, I am. For T, the partner is si. So, TC means you are singular. The third person singular forms on, ona, and ono all share the same auxiliary verb, ye. Onye means he is, onaye means she is, onoye means it is. The partner of me is smo. So, mismo means we are. For vi, the partner is ste. So, viste is you are in plural form. For the third person plural oni, one, and ona, the partner is su. Oni su means they are for all males or a mixed group. One su means they are for all females. Ona su means they are for all neuter. Here's the full list again. I am is ja sam. You are singular is TC. He is onye. She is onaye. It is onoye. We are is mismo. You are plural is viste. They are is onisu for males or mixed. Onisu for females or onasu for neuter. So that's the full list. These pairs are the most building blocks in Serbian grammar. You will use them all the time whether you are introducing yourself or just describing something. Practice these pairs until they're familiar. Once you know them well, you'll be ready to start building your own sentences.